Today's medical-centric topic is exposomics, how lifetime environmental exposure shapes disease. Why genes alone don't explain most disease. Genetics explains only a fraction of chronic disease risk. Many people with low genetic risk develop illness, while others with high-risk genes remain healthy. This gap has shifted attention to the exposome, the totality of environmental exposures experienced across a lifetime. What exposomics actually means. Exposomics is the study of all non-genetic exposures that influence health from conception to old age. This includes diet, air pollution, chemicals, infections, stress, medications, lifestyle factors, and social conditions. Unlike genes, the exposome is dynamic and constantly evolving. Critical windows of exposure. Not all exposures have equal impact. Early life periods, prenatal development, infancy, childhood, and adolescence are especially sensitive. Environmental insults during these windows can permanently alter metabolism, immune function, and disease susceptibility later in life. How exposures become biology. Environmental factors influence health by altering gene expression, metabolism, immune signaling, and hormonal pathways. Mechanisms include epigenetic changes, chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, mitochondrial dysfunction, and microbiome disruption. These processes link external exposures to internal disease pathways. Air pollution and chronic disease. Air pollution is one of the strongest exposomic drivers of disease. Fine particulate matter increases cardiovascular disease, stroke, asthma, cognitive decline, and metabolic dysfunction. Long-term exposure accelerates vascular aging and systemic inflammation. Chemical exposures and endocrine effects. Pesticides, heavy metals, plastics, and industrial chemicals interfere with hormone signaling and metabolism. These exposures are linked to infertility, thyroid disorders, obesity, diabetes, and neurodevelopmental conditions. Effects often accumulate silently over decades. Diet, microbiome, and metabolic health. Ultra-processed foods, additives, and low-fiber intake reshape the gut microbiome, altering immune regulation and metabolic pathways. Diet is one of the most modifiable exposomic factors influencing chronic disease risk. Psychosocial stress as an exposure. Chronic stress, trauma, socioeconomic disadvantage, and sleep disruption are powerful biological exposures. They affect cortisol regulation, immune balance, and cardiovascular risk, contributing to depression, metabolic disease, and immune dysfunction. Why measuring the exposome is hard. Unlike genes, exposures are difficult to quantify. They vary over time and interact with each other. New tools, wearables, metabolics, environmental sensors, and big data are beginning to make exposomic measurement possible. Clinical implications. Understanding exposomics shifts medicine towards prevention. It explains why lifestyle, environment, and social conditions matter as much as biology. Personalized prevention requires identifying and modifying harmful exposures early. Clinical takeaway. Disease is shaped not just by genes, but by a lifetime of environmental exposures. Exposomics provides a framework for understanding how air, food, chemicals, stress, and lifestyle interacts to drive chronic illness. The future of medicine lies in reducing harmful exposures, not just treating their consequences.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.